Want to buy Ethereum instantly with your debit card? Let me show you the quick steps. First, open a trusted exchange like Coinbase, Binance, which is the one that I'm going to be using for this video, or Kraken, and log into your account. In these fields up top in Binance, go to Buy Crypto, and in the search bar, type Ethereum or ETH and tap on it. Select the buy option, hit the buy button and enter how much Ethereum you want to purchase. Choose debit card as your payment method. If it's your first time, you'll need to add your card details. Confirm the transaction, the Ethereum will show up instantly in your exchange wallet. And that's how you buy Ethereum instantly with a debit card. Super quick and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more quick tutorials about crypto like this.